showers. Look at all the rain hitting the farmland with one new lightning strike just south of Sacramento that just popped up. We could see a few thunderstorms in the Central Valley tonight and tomorrow. Feel the mugginess outside. It's sticky. It's mild. Will be that way throughout the weekend. Livermore 63, San Jose 63, Santa Rosa 60. Your headlines. The windiest weather will be lunchtime until 11 o'clock tomorrow. The wettest weather, not the same timing. The wettest weather will be tomorrow evening, right around dinner time, through sunrise on Sunday. So both windy and wet over the weekend. Look at these overnight temperatures. These aren't your afternoon highs tomorrow. This is how warm we will be tonight. Oakland only dropping to 61 degrees. Some of you may actually be warmer tonight than you are right now. Napa 58, San Francisco 61, San Jose 58 degrees. So let's just look at the jet stream and look at all of the energy which is racing toward the West Coast. It's not just the Bay Area. It's far northern California. It's Oregon. It's Washington. It's Southern California. Everybody getting rainfall this weekend. So the active storm track, which avoided us for about a month and a half, is back. Now let's show the satellite and radar instead of the upper level winds. Look at all this moisture piling in. It's already here, but the actual storm that will give us the heaviest rain and the strongest wind, that will arrive tomorrow. Rainfall totals. How much rain is going to fall in your backyard over the next couple days? Through tomorrow morning, with these scattered heavier showers tonight, really not that much. On average, about 1/4 of an inch of rain. Now let's stop the clock tomorrow night at 11 o'clock. We're going to get about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall in 5 or 6 hours tomorrow evening. By tomorrow night, some of you down in the South Bay may have already received 2 inches of rainfall. Same story for Napa, same story for San Rafael. Then we get a break. Sunday morning, the numbers haven't moved much. Watch what happens Sunday night into Monday. We're adding another inch of rainfall, and our computer's predicting 3.5 inches of rain by Monday morning for Napa. More than 3 inches of rain for Santa Cruz, more than 3 inches of rain for San Rafael, more than 2 inches of rain for San Francisco. So we've established it's going to be a wet weekend. Winds now, tomorrow morning gusting to about 20 miles per hour. We get into the afternoon and evening, widespread wind gusts 30 miles per hour or stronger. So there's the wind component. We're going to see off and on rain tonight through tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow afternoon, here's where it gets going. We're going to be both wet and windy tomorrow evening. A break Sunday morning. More steady rainfall moving in Sunday evening. So it's going to be pretty soggy out there for the majority of the weekend. Livermore tomorrow 67, San Francisco 66, Fremont 67, Santa Rosa 64 degrees. We're wet tomorrow, we're wet Sunday, then we get a break. And we're going to need a break to let this water kind of run off and soak into the soil. Monday afternoon through Wednesday we're dry. Then the end of next week, here we go again. We could see another series of storms on Thursday and Friday. So the outdoor weekend plans this weekend, likely not going to happen.
And we saw this last time. There was this pattern of rain that we did get these little breaks, which was perfect.
The breaks are key because we got one after the other. Yeah. Then you start getting a flooding problem with our rivers. We're not going to see that because, one, the rivers are so low right now. Then we get a 2-day break. The water can run off before the next storm. You're exactly right.
Lucky with that.
Yes.
Thanks. We've got to start early.
Coming up next, the new strategy to prevent peanut allergies.
But first, the markets closed up today. The Dow back over 17,000 for the first time since January 6th. Here's a look at the closing numbers from Wall Street.